Hello. Today we'll be going more in depth on Floriani in our patch in Floriani. We're going to cover satin stitches, different types of fill, and making your patch look the best it can be. First thing I want to do is I want to make this W real shiny. I want to give it a satin stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the W and hit the auto satin button. Okay, and so now the satin stitches, they are much shinier. You can pick the direction of the stitches. They're very nice, but I don't actually like how this is laid out, so I'll show you how to fix that right now. So with it selected, we're going to click this shape tool, and these orange ones are split lines and these yellow ones are inclinations. So the split lines make these splits happen, obviously. There's a split, there's a split line when we turn on, and the inclinations determine the direction of the threads. No, wrong one. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to move this split line down, and so now this is just one piece. Now it matches the other side. I'm going to add a split line to this as well. I don't really like this jumbled mess, so we right-click it and click Add Split Line, and so then just select where I want the start of it to be and drag it over to where the other one is, and I'm also going to put another split line on this side. Okay, and so it did my split, but this is not going the direction I want because of this inclination. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and just move that inclination. Oh, that was the red. Put that back. Okay, now let's. There we go. So now that's how you make the stitches go the direction you want. We're gonna fix this one as well. So now, if I want to make this satin stitch denser, this more stitches in the patch, make it thicker, make it shinier, I'm going to go to the Properties tab. So we were in the sequence, now we're going to the Properties, and we're going to turn this down. If this actually isn't there, it's in the Toolbars, Properties right there. I'm going to turn this down. I like 0.3. And so now look at that. Now that's a shiny patch. I mean, 0.2 gets that's a little much. It's a lot. If you have too many stitches, then you risk breaking a needle, and we don't want to do that. So I'll probably stick to 0.3. Okay. Now I'm also going to do the white stitches around the outside of it. So select those again and go auto satin again. Okay, and so look at this. This one has a little bit of a mess right there. Let's see what's that it's doing that for. Okay, so let's just put another inclination. Let's add some inclinations right here. Boop, boop. There we go. That fixed things. I'm going to add some right here. Add another one over here. So now I'm just going to go around this, make sure everything is going the direction I want it to. Looks good, looking good. Good, good, good. Nice, nice, nice. It's an interesting split line, but it's okay. Now, if we wanted to change the shape of it, it's kind of floppy in some, or like very organically shaped in some spots, we can click these blue dots and move them. And then if we hit enter, now it changed the shape of this. So you can edit your shapes in this as well. So we're going to add inclination. Add another inclination right here. Look at that, it's looking good. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, this one I'm also going to turn up. Now look at that. That's a serious W. Go Dogs. What I'm going to show you is how to make another fill stitch in this gold. So I selected the gold. Now in the shape tool, you can see the inclination. So we're in the standard fill. I can change the direction of those stitches. So now the standard fill is going in a different direction. But I actually want a different fill completely. So in the fill types, you can go standard or you can go fancy. And there's hundreds of them. I'm going to click this zigzag. And then once it's selected, we have to click apply. If we don't click apply, it's not going to do it. So there's the zigzag. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Now my helmet is very zigzaggy. Well, I added more satin stitches to the face mask and other details to this helmet to give it the shiny 3D look of a nice patch. I hope this video shows you what Floriani can do, and I hope you explore it on your own and find out other cool ways to make patches really sick. So next thing, same as last time, we have to save as a PS V9 helmet 2. Boom. There we are. Now we can put our design on a flash drive and move it to the embroidery machine. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps your knowledge with Floriani. Can't wait to see what new patches come after this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later.